Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we will be discussing the best tools for software development. In today's fast-paced world of software development, having the right tool can make all the difference. For coding and text editing, one of the most popular tools among developers is Visual Studio Code, a free and open source code editor with a huge library of extensions and features that make it a versatile tool for all kinds of projects. Another must-have tool for developers is Git, the most widely used version control system in the world. Git allows developers to manage their code base, collaborate with others, and keep track of changes over time. When it comes to testing and debugging, tools like Postman and JUnit are essential for ensuring the code is working as expected. Postman is a powerful API testing tool, while JUnit is a popular Java testing framework. With regard to project management, tools like Trello and Jira can help keep track of tasks, deadlines, and team members. These tools make it easy to stay organized and on top of your game. So whether you're working on a small personal project or large software enterprise, these plethora of tools can help you take your software development game to the next level. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.